The question for today is again related to South India and our traditions here. So, most women, married women or women yet to be married, wear flowers in their hair. So, what's the significance of women wearing flowers?
Okay, flowers have got a lot of relationship with the human life.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Ever since mankind was there, they were always, favoring flowers because of their aromatic smell, because of their colors, because of their shapes, and because of their medical properties.
Right.
There are flower medicines which was handled in the ancient past. Even today, there are a lot of people who does flower medicines. This is one. Now, flowers has got a lot of relationship with the human life, especially women. Okay, so a lot of women, they always prefer like flowers. They always, if you notice, they keep flowers in their head at the back.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. These aromatic smells of flower is also one of the most beautiful technique to attract men. And there are specific flowers which becomes, their aroma becomes sexual stimulants. Okay, then we offer lot of flowers to the god.
Right.
Okay, what happens when during the festival day, during the puja time, you see the idol, god idol is fully decorated with flowers.
Fully. Yeah.
Yeah, fully decorated with flowers. The first and foremost part of the flower is they are alkali materials.
Ah.
Okay, they are completely alkali material, and this alkali material make the surroundings, the ambience, positively charged. That's why abundance of flowers are used in all the temples.
Okay.
Okay, why they put flower garland when a boy and a girl is getting married? Because there are so much of people in front of them looking at them, so no bad eye should fall on them. So they are having lot of flowers on their as garland and keeping it in hand and all that. It's such an alkali material, it diffuses all that wrong vision on you. It's such an alkali material. Okay, and one more thing I can tell you, which will be very interesting for you. In the ancient days, when the technique is not there now, maybe it may be there in remote villages which I don't know, I'm not seeing. Then they go to see a bridegroom for the boy. They go to the girl's house to see the girl.
Yeah.
So one elderly woman will also be there, the grandmother or whatever. So we don't know about this girl, whether she's of some good character or a negative character or a jealousy character, you know. So initially, once they enter the house, the elderly female is always free to move around.
Right.
She'll go inside and see the girl and wish her and all that little bit, one or two words, and then I have brought some flowers for you. Keep the flower on her head. Okay. Why they are doing this? If the girl is of very bad character, the flower won't smell at all.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah. And it will shrink within no time.
Ah. Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Within 10-15 minutes, the flowers will shrink and it won't smell. With that, by the time the girl comes to see the gathering, everybody wants to see the bridegroom. She will come and take Ashirwad and all that. By looking at the flowers, they will understand the character of the girl. It's one of the beautiful techniques that they used to follow those days. And that technique is not available today. So flowers always make, always make the house ambience positively charged. That is why we bring in some flowers every day and put it on the God's picture and all that and make a puja. There are a lot of significance to it. It always keeps the house positively charged.
Positively charged.
Yeah, girls normally they keep flowers on their head, which gives you the alkali effect. And of course, the aroma of the flowers, different types of flowers, is always a health benefit for everybody. So flowers is a part of human life, not only in India, in every part of the world, because irrespective of any land, any geography, any culture, every girl born on this earth, or even for the matter man, has his own liking for all kinds of flowers. There is no doubt whatsoever on that. Yeah. You may not get attracted to many things, but every human being, irrespective of the age, will be attracted to any type of flower when they see it in nature.
Yeah, very true.
Whether it is going to give aroma or not. If you go to a wild grown forest valleys, when they see a particular type of flowers is blossom everywhere in abundance, you stand there and watch them at least for a few minutes.
Yeah.
You may not like nature, but the flowers will attract you.
Yes.
The visual appearance of the flowers, changes a lot of your pattern of thinking. It has its own impact. The aroma of the flower also changes your, pattern of thinking. It will have an impact over your thought process. So flowers hold a lot of relationship with the human life. From the day you are born till the day you live. It has significance. Thank you.